Geometry is a branch of mathematics that focuses on measurement, statements regarding shape, relative position of an image, spatial perspective, and so on. Okay, next we will discuss about the fundamentals is a points and lines. The simplest geometric concept, a point represent a specific location in space. It has no dimension, meaning it has no width, height, or depth. A point is usually denoted by a capital letter. Furthermore, is a line. A line is one-dimensional object that extends infinitely in both directions. It has length but no width or depth. A line is typically represented by 2 points on it, connected by an arrow. And guys, you can see again in the image below, it's called lines 8. Next, we have discussed about the building blocks of geometry. First is triangle. A triangle which can be formed by connecting three points on the same plane provided that the planes are not parallel. And the formula is area equals 1/2 times base times height. Explanation: base or B is the length of the bottom side of the triangle, and height or h the perpendicular distance from the base to opposite vertex. The second is square. A square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. And the formula is area equals side times side, or A equals S squared 2. The explanation: side or S represent the length of one side of the square. And next is rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles, but its sides are not necessarily equal. And the formula is area equals length times width, or A equals L times W. The explanation is length, or L, the longer side of the rectangle, and width, or W, the shorter side of the rectangle. And the fourth is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel. And the formula: area equals base times height, or A equals B times 8. And the explanation: for base or B, the length of one of the sides of the parallelogram, and the height or h is the perpendicular distance between the base and the opposite side. The fifth is trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. For formula, area equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. For the explanation, base 1, or B1, is the length of the one of the parallel sides. Base 2, or B2, is the length of the other parallel sides. And height, or h, is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. For last, we have to discuss about circles. Circles is the perfection of curve. We have any several elements of the circles. One is radius, the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Two, diameter, a line segment that passes through the center of the circle and has endpoints on the circle. Three is circumference, the distance around the circle. And four is P, the ratio of circle circumference to its diameter, approximately is 3.1450. For the formula of circle is area equals P times radius squared 2, or A equals PR squared 2.